This is a water flosser, a gadget that uses water jets to clean between teeth. I'm opening it up for the first time to check its batteries because it hasn't been behaving properly lately. You can see here that the tank slides out. The tank itself is self-contained, so any leaks here can be easily patched. There's a potential for it to leak where it joins the body, so there's waterproofing here provided by this seal. This here is the water intake hose with a little filter at the end. Now the appliance is used in the bathroom, so I suspect there's going to be waterproofing all around. Looking at the base, these three circles have no reason to be here, so I suspect they are hiding something underneath. After a little poking and prodding, sure enough, they turn out to be silicone plugs that provide some amount of waterproofing for the screws underneath. So 3 screws later, the base comes right off. And here we've got another gasket to provide even more waterproofing. Inside is where all the action happens. Here we've got 2 rechargeable batteries stuffed in place using friction. You could probably just shake them out, but I'm using a pair of long nose pliers. So it turns out they are nickel metal hydride batteries manufactured in January in 2015. So that's coming up to about maybe 8 years now. And they're wired in series to provide a total of 2.4 volts. The water flosser itself charges using 5 volts from the USB charging cable, so I'm guessing there's a rudimentary charging circuit somewhere inside that steps down the voltage from 5 volt to maybe about 3 volts and regulates the charging cycle. A quick check using a multimeter shows that the batteries are at 2.6 volts, so it still holds a charge, not bad for an 8-year-old battery. But it probably won't have the same capacity. Now if I had a spot welder, I would weld a new pair of nickel metal hydride batteries here, but I don't. So for now I'll just have to live with recharging these old batteries more often. So all that's left now is to reassemble everything by repeating the steps in reverse and checking that it still works. So that's a quick video showing how to disassemble and check the batteries of any rechargeable bathroom gadget, like a water flosser or an electric toothbrush or a shaver. Have fun troubleshooting!